Do you want to know a secret method to making $40 every 10 minutes all from the comfort of your own home? If you're looking for a quick and easy way to make money online, then you've come to the right place. This video will show you exactly how to use a groundbreaking AI tool to create high-quality content and turn it into a steady income stream. Keep watching to discover how you can unlock the door to incredible online earnings. But before we jump into the method, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on more fantastic money-making opportunities. Are you tired of sifting through countless online money-making methods that require special skills or upfront costs? Well, we got some good news for you today. We're about to reveal a game-changing technique that's not only easy, but also free. And the best part? It has the potential to earn you $40 every 10 minutes. All you need to get started is a device, an internet connection, and a keen interest in following the instructions we're about to share. No prior experience or special skills needed. With so many people searching for ways to make money online, this method is a breath of fresh air. You want to spend hours or even days working on a project before seeing any returns. The potential to making money is immediate and can be done in just a few minutes. As a content creator, you may be familiar with the challenges that come with the job. Writer's block, difficulty getting your content noticed, and finding the right keywords can be frustrating and limit your potential for earning money online. But fret not, because we're here to share an incredible solution that can help your content creation process a breeze. Let me tell you about this fantastic AI-driven tool called superchat.ai that's completely revolutionizing the way we create content. Imagine being able to generate top-notch SEO-friendly articles without spending endless hours on keyword research or struggling to find just the right words. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, Superchat AI is here to make that dream a reality. With Superchat, you can focus on what you're truly great at, coming up with those brilliant ideas. Leave the nitty-gritty of content creation to the AI platform and you'll save time and energy, which you can then invest in other essential aspects of your work. So, if you're tired of racking your brain over content creation, it's time to give Superchat.ai a try. Trust me, once you experience the ease and convenience it brings to your content development process, there's no going back. Let Superchat handle the technical stuff so you can unleash your creative genius. The process of using Superchat is straightforward. Once you've logged into your account, navigate to the blog post writer. There, you'll be prompted to enter your blog's post title and introduction. This is your opportunity to let your creativity shine. After you've entered your title and introduction, simply click the Generate button and let Superchat work its magic. Within seconds, the platform's powerful algorithms will analyze your topic and generate a complete blog post ready for publishing. Oh, I almost forgot to mention one of the most crucial advantages of using Superchat. The content it generates is not only grammatically correct, but it also optimized for search engines. What does that mean to you? Well, your blog posts are going to perform way better and become more visible to readers. You see, when your content is SEO optimized, it's like opening the doors to a whole new world of potential readers. The more visibility you gain, the more opportunities you have to earn money. In fact, with our method, you could potentially make around $40 every 10 minutes. How cool is that? Superchat is your secret weapon for creating content that not only looks great, but also ranks well in search engine results. When you pair your brilliant ideas with Superchat's AI-powered capabilities, you got a winning combination that'll help you reach new heights of success. Not only can you create high-quality content for your blog or website, but you can also offer your services to others and earn a significant income. Superchat's AI-powered article writer can transform you into a content creation machine. By selling your services on platforms like Upwork, you can provide clients with professional-grade content at a fraction of the cost of hiring a human writer. The potential earnings as a freelance writer using Superchat might surprise you. A quick search on Upwork shows that clients are willing to pay top dollar for high-quality blog post writing services. Depending on the complexity of the topic and the level of quality they're seeking, you can expect to earn anywhere from $50 to $200 or more for a single blog post. That's some serious money. Creating a profile on Upwork is a critical step towards establishing yourself as a freelance content creator. To attract potential clients, emphasize your skills and experience in content creation, particularly your ability to produce high-quality content quickly and efficiently. The main reason Upwork is recommended is that it is one of the most extensive and popular freelancing platforms available, with a vast pool of clients actively seeking individuals like you to write high-quality blog posts for them. One of the benefits of using Upwork is that it offers several useful features that makes it easy to find and attract clients. You can create a professional profile that showcases your skills and experience, take skill tests to prove your expertise, and communicate with potential clients directly through a built-in messaging system. Upwork also provides a secure and reliable platform for payment and project management, so you can focus on what you do best, creating amazing blog posts without worrying about invoicing or payment processing. Once you have set up your profile, start searching for relevant job postings that match your skills and experience. Be sure to read the job postings carefully and submit a tailored proposal that highlights your writing abilities and how you can add value to the client's project. Include a clear and concise description of the services you offer and examples of past blog posts that you've created using a platform to demonstrate your capabilities. Once you've landed a job, use Super Chat to create a high-quality blog post that meets the client's requirements and exceeds their expectations. Regular communication with the client is crucial to ensure that the content meets their needs. As you complete more jobs and build your reputation on Upwork, you will find that clients will start coming to you for your services. With Super Chat at your fingertips, you can deliver high-quality content quickly and efficiently, helping you build a successful and profitable freelance writing business. In the long run, using superchat.ai and Upwork to build a successful freelance writing career can provide numerous benefits. As you gain more experience and a positive reputation, you'll be able to charge higher rates for your services and attract higher paying clients. Additionally, you'll be able to work on a flexible schedule, allowing you to balance your work and personal life more effectively. While Upwork is an excellent platform for finding freelance writing jobs, it's also worth exploring other options to expand your client base further. Platforms such as Freelancer, Guru, and People Per Hour offer similar features and can help you connect with clients seeking high-quality content creators. By using superchat.ai to create content and offering your services across multiple platforms, you can maximize your earning potential and reach a broader range of clients. Creating a profile on Upwork and using SuperChat to create high-quality blog posts is a powerful combination that can help you establish yourself as a successful freelance content creator. With the power of AI at your fingertips, you can create professional-grade content in seconds, freeing up your time to focus on other important aspects of your business. Why not give it a try and see how it can transform your content creation process and boost your income? Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications to stay updated on more incredible money-making opportunities. Do check out the videos on the screen, and we'll see you in the next one.